In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQs on Wix Site. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional FAQ section that helps visitors find answers fast and reduces repetitive support questions. Start in the Wix editor. On the left-hand toolbar, click the plus icon to open the Add panel. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks for your site. Instead of scrolling, use the built-in search so you get to the right element quickly. In the Add panel, click on the search bar and type FAQs. Don't worry about capitalization. Wix will find the relevant option. In the results, click on FAQ. This is Wix's dedicated element for frequently asked questions, designed as a tidy accordion that expands to reveal answers. If this is your first time using it, you'll be prompted to install the FAQ app. Click Install. This simply adds the feature to your site so you can manage questions and answers in one place. It takes just a moment, and once it's added, you'll see a default FAQ section placed on your page. Next, open the settings for the FAQ element. This is where you control layout, content, and behavior. Inside settings, browse through the available templates to find a style that fits your brand: minimal, bold, with or without categories. Think about how your audience scans information. A simple accordion usually keeps things clear and scannable. When you find a layout you like, click Select Template. If Wix asks whether you want to overwrite the current design, click Overwrite. This replaces the existing FAQ styling with your chosen template while keeping the FAQ element in place. It's an easy way to test different looks without rebuilding anything. Now it's time to edit your FAQs. Update the sample questions and answers with your own content. Keep questions concise and phrase them the way customers ask. For answers, be clear, direct, and link to helpful pages when relevant. You can group related items into categories if you have many topics and adjust the order so the most common questions appear first. If the template supports it, fine-tune spacing, icons, and text styles so the section matches your site's design and remains easy to read. When everything looks good, click Done to save your changes and close the settings. That's it. Your FAQ section is live in the editor and ready to help visitors self-serve. You've added the element, chosen a template, applied it, refined your content, and wrapped up. Thanks for watching and happy building.